When it comes to trauma, seconds can be the difference between life and death. But so can the quality of your tools. That's why Dr. Scott Foreman created HÉROS. He's lived and worked through tough situations, where the right tools make the biggest difference, and the wrong tools cost lives. Trauma shears have long been considered one-time use items. They're poorly designed and only last 1 or 2 heavy uses, if you're lucky. HÉROS are what trauma shears should be. They're made for abuse, can be trusted in any situation, and will last a lifetime. Cut or rip through the toughest materials. Where other shears break or just don't cut it, HÉROS will deliver time and time again. There are 8 tools built into HÉROS: the serrated shears, the integrated ripper, the ring cutter, the window punch, the ruler, the hex key, the oxygen key, and the bottle opener for medication vials or at the end of a long day. Plus, we added a carabiner clip for quick access. We modeled the blade serrations after the teeth of the great white shark, evolutionarily proven to shear through nearly anything. Everything from the handle to the hex tool was engineered for maximum torque. Multiple grip options let you easily use HÉROS with various gloves at various angles. We used a high-end Japanese steel alloy with superior edge retention. It's incredibly powerful, dependable, corrosion-resistant, and wear-resistant. From military operations around the world to trauma scenes across America, HÉROS have gone through hell and back and delivered at every turn. Don't compromise when it comes to life or death. Back our campaign now and get yourself a pair of HÉROS.